morning everyone. Myself Shankar Prahladrao Pudwade. Today I am going to discuss the conformation of ethane. This is the structure of ethane. So black ball represents the presence of carbon atom, and all three are the presence of hydrogen atom. So again, this one be the front carbon atom, and this one be the rear carbon atom. So first of all, what is meant by conformation? So conformation means keeping the rear carbon atom fixed, a step-by-step rotation of front carbon atom through 360 degree, means like this, 360 degree, produces the infinite number of isomers known as conformations. So these conformations are broadly grouped into three main types. First one is eclipse conformation, second one is staggered conformation, and third one is skew or intermediate conformation. Let us see one by one. First, eclipse conformation. Eclipse conformation means those conformation in which, so these are the three hydrogen atoms present on front front carbon atom. So these are the again three hydrogen atoms present on rear carbon atoms. So eclipse conformation means the hydrogen atom present on front carbon atom comes behind with the hydrogen atom present on rear carbon atom, like this, like this, like this. So these conformations known as eclipse conformations. Next, the eclipse conformation, which is takes place at the dihedral angle. This one be the 0 degree. Now by rotating, so this one be the 60, then 180. At 0 degree or 360 degree, then 120 degree, and then 240 degree. So at 0 degree or 360 degree, next 120 degree and 240 degree and 240 degree. The hydrogen atom present on front carbon atom and the rear carbon atom comes behind with each other. So this conformation is known as the eclipse conformation. These conformations can be represented using the four projection formula. First one be the dotted line wedge projection formula. Second one is Fisher. Third one is Somers, and fourth one is Newman projection formula. Again, let us see one by one. First, dotted line wedge projection formula. In this projection formula, those atoms which are present above the plane of paper or towards observer, they can be represented using the wedge lines. Those atoms which is present below the plane of paper, below the plane or away from your observer. So this red atom which is away from your observer. So those atoms which is present below the plane of paper or away from the observer, they can be represented using the dotted line. So this projection formula is known as dotted line wedge projection formula. Let us see. So this is the eclipse conformation. In this conformation, in structure first, so these two hydrogen atoms, that is white hydrogen atoms, are present towards your observer. Hence these hydrogen atoms can be represented by the wedge line because they are present towards the observer. Again, these two hydrogen atoms which is present towards the observer, and they can be represented by the wedge lines. And the hydrogen atom which is represented by red strip, present away from your observer, and hence they can be represented by the dotted line. So this is the dotted line wedge projection formula. Then in Fisher projection formula, the horizontal line represents, so this is the horizontal line, again this one is the horizontal line. The horizontal line represents the atoms present on the horizontal line represents towards the observer, and the atom which is atom or group which is present on the vertical line represents away from the observer. The next one is the in source projection formula, these two carbon atoms, so front carbon atom and rear carbon atom, these two carbon atoms are represented by, that is carbon-carbon single bond, inclined lines, and the hydrogen atom present on front carbon atom and rear carbon atom are represented by either lambda, so this is the lambda, or it can be represented as a y. So this one is the source projection formula. And finally, in Newman projection formula, the front carbon atom which is represented by the point at the center of the circle, and rear carbon atom which is represented by the circle, and these the hydrogen atom present on front carbon atom are represented by dotted lines, and the hydrogen atom which is present on the rear carbon atoms are represented by the radiating lines. So this is about the eclipse conformation. The next type of conformation is staggered conformation. Staggered conformation means those conformations in which, so first of all I rotate the front carbon atom through 60 degree. So this one be the 120, and then I rotate this carbon atom by 60 degree. Then the definition of staggered conformation is those conformations in which the atom present on, these three atoms present on front carbon atom are at the farthest distance. So this one be the farthest distance or longest distance, again at 120 degree. So the atom present on front carbon atom and atom present on the rear carbon atom are at the longest distance or farthest distance. So this conformation is known as the staggered conformation. So staggered conformation which is takes place at the dihedral angle 60 degree, then 180 degree and 300 degree. So next, the staggered conformation again represented by using the three projection formulas. First one will be the dotted line wedge projection formula. In dotted wedge projection formula, let us see. So this is the structure. So this one is the structure. In dotted wedge line projection formula, so the hydrogen atom represented by the red stick. So this hydrogen atom which is present above the plane of paper or towards the observer, and this hydrogen atom is represented by using the wedge lines, and both hydrogen atom which is present away from the observer, they can be represented by the dotted line. Similarly, the hydrogen atom, these hydrogen atom which is present towards the observer, they can be represented by using the wedge line, and this hydrogen atom which is present away from your observer, so this hydrogen atom is represented by using the dotted line, and this is the mirror image structure of first. Then second one will be the source projection formula. In source projection formula, suppose this is the structure of ethane in staggered conformation. Then in source projection formula, let us see. First, So this carbon atom, which is represented by slightly inclined lines. So this one be the carbon-carbon bond. Then the atom present on front. Suppose this is the front carbon atom. Then the atom present on this carbon atom are represented by gamma. So this will be the gamma. And the atom present on the rear carbon atom, for example, this is the rear carbon atom, then it is represented by the Y. So this projection formula is known as Sol's projection formula. And finally, in Newman projection formula, the rear carbon atom is represented by circles and the front carbon atom is represented by the points or dot, and the hydrogen atom present on front carbon atom and rear carbon atom are at the longest distance. So this conformation is known as the staggered conformation. And finally, the skew or intermediate conformation. So skew or intermediate conformation means, so at any infinite number of conformations